Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Did you know that most diseases have one thing in common? What is that one thing? An unhealthy mitochondria. So in today's video, I'll be explaining what the mitochondria is. I'll be explaining how an unhealthy mitochondria can lead to the development of a disease. And I'll be explaining ways in which you can improve the efficiency and the function of your mitochondria. So let's get into the video. So, what is the mitochondria? The mitochondria is located inside the cell. It's considered an organelle. Each organelle in the cell has its own specific function that aids in the maintenance of that cell. The mitochondria's primary role is to burn glucose and fats to create energy. This energy is called ATP and is considered the energy currency of the body because its primary role is to keep the body functioning, keep every organ, tissue, cell going. Now, one of the most fascinating things about the mitochondria is its resiliency. Let's say you're exercising. When you're exercising, the energy demands of the body increase substantially. So what does the mitochondria do? The mitochondria take in oxygen via respiration and glucose. It breaks down glucose in the presence of oxygen to create ATP. Now, this process is called aerobic respiration. Without the mitochondria, life would cease to exist. Why? Because without the mitochondria, there would be no ATP. And what did I just say? ATP is responsible for keeping the body running and functioning efficiently. So, how does the mitochondria lead to the development of a disease? Well, it's quite simple. Since the mitochondria are responsible for producing ATP, and ATP is needed for a lot of different physiological processes like muscle contraction and cellular metabolism to occur. Once your mitochondria lack the ability to provide enough ATP for these processes to occur, this will inevitably lead to the production or the development of a disease. How does one strengthen their mitochondria? Well, it's quite simple. Exercise. When an individual consistently exercises, their mitochondria undergo adaptations, structural and physiological changes. For example, there's an increase in mitochondrial volume, meaning your mitochondria actually grow, as well as ATP synthesis, meaning your mitochondria are well adept at producing ATP. Now, there are also other physiological changes that occur when you exercise, like mitogenesis. Mitogenesis is basically the production of newer and fresher mitochondria, as well as mitophagy, which is the elimination of worn out mitochondria. All these benefits lead to basically the improvement of your health. So yes, exercise. So guys, that concludes the video. Now that you know that exercising can lead to the improvement of your mitochondria, I hope that gives you a bit of an incentive to start exercising, not just for the aesthetic benefits of from exercising, but as well as the physiological, which is even more important. So if you found this video helpful, share, like the video, ask questions in the comment section. And as always, guys, stay healthy.